Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to secure your GitHub account with two-factor authentication using an Authenticator app. First of all, open any browser and navigate to GitHub. Once it's open, click on the profile icon. Scroll down and click on Settings. When Settings opens, go to the left side, please, on Password and Authentication. Scroll down and click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Then, scroll down and scan the QR code in the Authenticator app. I can't show you the recording of the Authenticator app because it's not allowed to record. Once you scan the QR code, a verification code will appear. Just copy the code and enter it here. Once it's done, click on Continue, then click on Download if you want to download this information. Click on I have saved my recovery codes. Now you can see your two-factor authentication has been enabled. Then click on Done. Scroll down. Now you can see your Authenticator app has been configured. That's the way to secure your GitHub account with two-factor authentication using an Authenticator app. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.